Hello and welcome back to the Odelshausen showroom. My name is Thomas and I will continue to show you our GARANT gridline system. Simple, systematic, good. In the last video, I already announced that this time I will show you how we make our workbenches mobile. For this purpose, we have two types of castors. One is our fixed caster, which you can see here in the background. The other one is our swivel caster with parking brake. I have removed it to show it to you in more detail. What is a swivel caster? It's a caster that can rotate freely through 360 degrees and has a parking brake that not only locks the wheel, but also the swivel head. This means the workbench really does stay where it's supposed to be and therefore everything is safe. How do we fit the castors? Just come with me and I'll show you how it's done. We take the castors and insert them into our GARANT gridline support legs. We have two options for fitting the castors, either in a position protruding by 25 mm or completely pushed in. This way we can ergonomically adjust the workbench to the height you need. The caster is fixed with two screws on this side and with another screw from the other side. That's all it takes to make our workbench mobile. Here's another bit of advice we can give you. We always recommend attaching a set of fixed castors and a set of swivel castors to a workbench. Why? It simply gives you more control when pushing, especially when the workbench is heavily loaded. Speaking of pushing, this is of course best done with handles. Here too we've come up with a clever solution for GARANT gridline, especially if you have oily or dirty hands. I'll show you what that is next time. See you soon.